Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share some of the latest job openings in Aurangabad location. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job vacancy for stenographer position from High Court of Bombay located in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. They are offering a salary for this position is 1,32,000 rupees per month. 6 vacancies are available for this post. Education qualification will be LLB. 3 to 7 years of experience is needed for this position. And last date to apply for this is 5th March 2021, and you can check here with the selection procedure, and for detailed information about this post you can visit this website link. Next, there is a job vacancy for video editor and graphic designer position from Booster Plant Genetics Private Limited located in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. They are offering a salary for this position is 12,000 to 20,000 rupees per month. Coming to responsibilities, candidates have to do video shooting which is required for social media upload and do video editing, and also company has its own app, so it need daily graphical templates for the app and social media. And interested candidates, you please check with the responsibilities and also with the skills required for this position. Interested candidates, you can check with the given phone number for detailed information. The number is 8888817305. There is a job vacancy for legal assistant position from High Court of Bombay. It is located in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. They are offering a salary for this position is 40,000 rupees per month. 2 vacancies are available for this post, and education qualification will be 5 to 1 year fresher candidates can apply for this position. Last date will be 26th February 2021. So interested candidates, you please check with the details provided here, and for detailed information you can visit this website link provided here. Next, there is a job vacancy for graphics designer position from Krelite Technologies Private Limited located in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. And this is the job description. Please go through it once, and interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for detailed information. The number is 830-830-3340. There is a job vacancy for licensing officer from Brunel located in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Coming to job responsibilities, intend to engage an ex-government employee for some project work, and he or she shall be responsible for liaising with government officials, and he or she should be aware of government or statutory rules and processes, and these are the responsibilities required for this position. Coming to requirement, 30 plus years of experience is needed for this position. So interested candidates, for detailed information about this position you can contact them with the given phone number, and or else you can send your resumes to the provided email id. The number is 912267596787. Next, there is a job vacancy for marketing executive position from Samaya Rooms Booking Private Limited located in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. They are offering a salary for this position is 12,000 rupees per month. Qualification will be 12th pass, graduation also required, and freshers can also apply for this position. 0.6 months to 3 years of experience is required for this position, and they are going to offer a salary range 12,000 rupees per month, and they are going to provide travel allowances and incentives, and bike and licenses are mandatory for a candidate. So you please check with the job description provided here, and interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number for detailed information. The number is 9321101024. Next, there is a job vacancy for area sales executive position from Ross Cooling Systems Private Limited located in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. They are offering a salary for this position is 10,000 15,000 rupees per month. Any graduates can apply for this position. They are looking for immediately joiner as a area sales executive position. It is for male candidates. So interested candidates, you can call them with the given phone number for detailed information. The number is 72020742200. Next, there is a job vacancy for sales executive for marketing. It is from Srijin Associates located in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Coming to job responsibilities, monitor and identify the potential clients from open market, maintain accurate record of potential clients, daily visit of at least 10 new clients and to generate leads, follow up with customers for loan documentations and login process, and daily reporting and updation into the office. So these are the job responsibilities. Please check with these ones. And interested candidates, you can call them with the given phone number for detailed information about this position. The number is 986079 Next, there is a job vacancy for social media executive position from Global Websoft Private Limited. It is located in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. They are offering a salary for this position is 8,000 to 15,000 rupees per month. Coming to requirements, they are looking for the candidates with 6 months to 2 years of experienced candidates in digital marketing space, can build, lead, measure and split test campaigns in Google Ads and Facebook Ads. So these are the requirements. Interested candidates, you please check with the job description and as well as with the responsibilities required. And interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for detailed information. The number is 8087304000. Next, there is a job vacancy for data entry operator position from Chaitanya Softwares located in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. They are looking for data entry operator and you should be having responsibilities for entering specific data into their databases, and you will be responsible for managing data and keeping it organized. Your main goal will be to keep data in order and so that it is easily accessible at any time. So these are the responsibilities required for this position. So interested candidates, you can call them with the given phone number for detailed information about this position. The number is 9595969631. Next, there is a job vacancy for front office receptionist position from Trahan Livelihood Mission Private Limited located in Aurangabad. Interested candidates, please check with the responsibilities provided here and you can also approach them with the given phone number for detailed information about this position. The number is 8087877762. Next, there is a job vacancy for architect from M90 Technologies Private Limited located in Aurangabad. So these are the job responsibilities and the skills required. Please go through it once and for detailed information you can approach them with the given phone number. The number is 8483940439. There is a job vacancy for general mason trainer. It is from Trahan Livelihood Mission Private Limited located in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. So for this the qualification will be ITI, Diploma in Civil, BE and Civil Engineering, BE in Civil Engineering. So this is the education qualification details. So please check with these ones and for this 0 to 3 years of experience is needed. Freshers can also apply for this position. Coming to key skills required, train the students according to their course or syllabus, preparing training schedules, construction sites visits plan for the internship of students, developing a training delivery template and a guest lecture plan. So these are the key skills required for this position. I mean job responsibilities. Please go through it once and interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for detailed information about this position. The number is 8087877762 and we have also provided here the toll free number. You can also contact them with the given toll free number. Next, there is a job vacancy for plumbing trainer position from the same company, Trahan Livelihood Mission Private Limited, located in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. So for this education qualification will be Diploma in Civil or Mechanical Engineering. 0 to 3 years of experience is required. Minimum 12th pass or ITI candidates can also apply for this position. Freshers can also eligible to apply for this position. you please check with the information provided here, and interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for detailed information, that is 8087877766. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. Hope this video will help you a lot, and thank you for watching the video.